This is one of these strange places. Look at this. It's got to be some kind of stormwater management operation here. They're building all this stuff here on the creek. I'll take him down here, Mr. Love. Going right in the middle of Fairmount Park. There's no road up there. There's no road over here. It's just a place where there's a trail. There's a trail. So I'm really curious to know what they're doing up there, what kind of road that is. Boy, you get your water. I know you do. Looking down to this bridge. It's because it's weird, you know. There's no active road, but it's right out in the middle of the trails here, man. They're building this whole road up there. Don't want to bother anybody. I know it's got that fence on it, but these people knocked it down already. They're building sewers in here. I bet they are. Just want to have my doggy come down here and rest a while. Well, this is behind Emlyn Street at Cresham Road. Emlyn Cresham Road goes straight down to the creek here, around Navajo Street. You know, Navajo's got its own trail next to this one. But just down here now to investigate what they're doing. I guess they're going to be done now. I should be hiking here when they're done. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.